Here we go. Here we go. The slime. We have liftoff. I repeat, we have liftoff. We have liftoff. 3, 2, 1. Slime off. Oh! It's so fucking cold. It feels like I just sat on a fucking unidentified deep sea creature. Oh fuck. No! Scientists have only explored a small percentage of the world's oceans, and this thing under my ass right now is a new creature. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. Oh, I sat up and it's stuck to my ass. It's stuck to my ass. It's get it off! Get it off! Get it off! Get it off! It's stuck to my ass. Get it off! Ah! Help! 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 Get it off me! There's a It's stuck all over. It's stuck all over. It's stuck all over. Oh fuck! It's all over me. Oh. Get it off! Get it off! Get it off! Get it off! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Fuck it. And thus, the future refused to change. My ass is covered in slime once more. Oh fuck. My underwear is ruined. That plane just missed me. No. There's slime stuck completely onto my undergarment and it's ruined. It's completely ruined. Here's some slime ASMR for you. God, no! There's like an imprint on my ass from the like residue of the slime that went through my clothes, and it like burns. It like burns. It's like a what was in this slime? What was in the slime? On the bottom of the slime container. Do you want to know who made this slime? You want to know the company that made this slime? It's Canal Toys. Like anal canal.